Hey guys, it's Alex from the IB-SciGuy channel for IB Chemistry. Today, I just want to go over my top 5 points for planning your IA. First point in order of importance, most important, keep it simple. Try not to do a super complicated experimental design. A lot of students want to do like novel, groundbreaking ideas, but when you have almost no experience, that's not going to go well most of the time. If you do pull it off, then I congratulate you. It's very difficult, but for IAs, probably rather just get some experience with something simple in planning your experiment that way. So it's okay to do things that have already been done and discovered and just try to reproduce them, but you can't copy other people's experiments exactly. So what you want to do is design your own experiment with your own sort of ranges of variables and, the equipment you plan to use in that. But sort of know what you're expecting to get as your result and compare it with that sort of standard reference result. Okay, second point is to modify a method that's already been proven. There's no need to start from zero. A lot of scientists have done a lot of experiments and done things that don't work over and over. So learn from what other people have done, but the chance that someone else online has done something similar to what you want to do is very high. Okay, so reference them, get your issues ironed out, and make sure that you're actually getting some usable data. Next, third point, go learn how to use the instruments that you plan to use before you start, way before you start. Okay, if you're planning on using a pH meter, go learn how to turn it on, calibrate it, wash it. If you're using a UV-Vis spectrometer or something, go learn how to use the software, how to put the cuvettes in properly. You don't want to go and plan to get data on your first day and have it be the first time you've ever used your data collection instruments. Okay, they can be very finicky and you need practice using them. Fourth, expect to do everything 3 times. And I don't just mean do 3 trials, but I mean expect to have a plan to do something and then it doesn't work. You need to redo, rethink, and replan what you're doing. I mean, expect to do that 3 times. And that means give yourself enough time to make those plans and try them. So basically expect to take 3 times as long as your initial plan was, because there's going to be problems that come up, you have to solve them. It takes a lot of time. And then fifth, choose a topic that you're actually very interested in. Okay, your research will go much better if you can actually finish reading some kind of report or web page about your topic or similar experiments instead of just falling asleep or closing it and doing something else. You've got to be interested in what your research point is. You'll definitely write better introductions and discussions and conclusions and evaluations if you're actually interested in what you're talking about. That's all for now. Good luck. See you next time.